Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to export your preferences settings in the Sketchbook app on your phone. This process allows you to back up your customized settings, ensuring that your workspace and tools. First, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Then scroll down within the Preferences menu until you find the option labeled Export Preferences Settings. Tap on this option to initiate the export process. You will be prompted to choose a location to save your preferences file. Finally, select the desired location on your device and click Save. Your preferences settings are now exported and backed up, allowing you to restore them whenever needed. This is particularly useful if you plan to reinstall the app or switch to a new device. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.